Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Luno account password. So have you forgotten your Luno password? I'm sorry, but if you're this person, I'd like you to know that you've got no worries at all. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your password securely and get back into your account using the Luno app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Luno mobile app on your phone. Once you do that, on the welcome screen of your Luno app, you're going to see the login button or the login hyperlink. So go ahead and tap on login to access the login page. Now, just below the password field, I'd like you to tap on forgot password. In the login page, just below the password field, go ahead and tap on forgot password with the question mark. Now type in the email address linked to your Luno account. And once you do that, go ahead and tap send or next. Luno will send you a password reset email shortly. So what you're going to do from here is to open your email app and find the exact email from Luno. In the email, go ahead and tap the reset password link you're going to find. This will open a secure page in your browser. If you don't find the mail in your primary window, you can check your spam or junk folder to check if it went in there. Now, once you click on reset password, enter a strong new password that you haven't used before. I'd like you to make sure that it is at least 8 characters. It includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for better security. Ensure it's at least 8 characters. It includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for better security. Now confirm the new password by tapping it again. Tap reset password or submit. Now return to the Luno app and log in with your new password. Use a unique strong password. And once you log in, enable two-factor authentication in your Luno account for extra protection. Never share your password or verification codes. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.